Ronaldo and Messi, is one better than the other? Or are these two simply the very best?
Ronaldo's my boy.
Sir Alex Ferguson is like a father in football for me.
I just have to say thank you for what he did for me. Especially when I remember the time when my father was sick in hospital. And I say, coach, I need to go to see my daddy. And he said, listen, your family is the most important that you have in life. If you want to go 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, you can go. I respect him, and for me, he's the best coach I have.